Alright, want to make a follow-up to the previous video. Talked to the previous renter about the condition of the place, and they did have some people come out and clean, and they're supposed to be cleaning more this weekend, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. You can see a little bit's been picked up here and there. See some subtle differences. Now that the heating air is back on, it's not nearly as horrible smelling, and the fumes in here, so not wearing the respirator. You can see in here where they started sweeping up some of the dog crap. So that's nice. The back porch is still full of junk. A lot of what was done was all outside things. Show you a quick thing of there. Like I said, the rest of the house is pretty much the same. The inside. Here's the outside. So I think part of it is too, I'm over the initial shock. So yeah, they left a duck behind apparently. Go on over this way. I gotta watch that duck though, because it will go inside the house. Because yeah, apparently they let ducks and chickens just roam in the house and crap all over the place. It's always nice. Alright, well, we don't want to go that way because that's a big old pile of stuff. Over here, if you remember, there was a play set and a big pile of stuff here, so they did haul that away. They hauled the play set. Some of this other stuff's just been moved around. There was a lot more items there. Around back's the same. That play set's sitting over there. They smashed it down and stuff, and it is in kind of a pile, so I'm assuming they're coming back. And there's some more of the other stuff that was everywhere. I mean, at least it's getting... They're making some effort. I will give them that. But, you know, I needed this done before they moved out, so I could already have my people in here working on it. The big pile that was real bad over there, most of it is gone. Still, yeah, it looks bad, but it's a lot better than it was. And in the previous video, you would have seen back behind here, there's I think it was like mattresses and I don't know what all else. Bunch of stuff there. I mean, you can see where all the grass is dead from that stuff sitting there forever. That's all gone. Just from up here, I don't feel like walking down there. Yeah, it's snowing. Yeah, in mid-April. Welcome to Kentucky, right? But you can tell from that view there that doesn't look like any of that's been pulled out yet. But like I said, there is a little bit of progress, not a lot. We'll see if I can actually get it clean, the inside clean this weekend, so I can start my tear out on Monday, say Saturday morning. So that's 2 days. If they come over here and clean both days, it'd be might be able to get that done. And I said I needed this done by the end of the next week. That way I can get, you know, the yard cut and get that stuff started. Gotta get the house all washed up, the pressure washer. But right now I'm waiting on the handyman to come over and take a look at, you know, all the damages. If you didn't see it, I mean, my big concerns are getting the, sorry, that smell hit me. Big concerns are, like, you know, of course, getting this fixed. There's a big hole over there, getting that fixed. I don't think there's any problem with the subfloor. We'll find that out once we get this carpet up, or yeah, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna have them fix that. And then the big water damage spot over here, where the back gutter got ripped off at some point, and no one cared to let me know about it. So I would have definitely got that done, because yeah, that's not okay. That's gonna be quite a bit of work there. So like I said, I'm having the handyman do, you know, fixing primarily that, the other drywall spots, doing some, the whole place is going to be repainted. I like the color brown, but, the next people probably don't. So, alright, well, that's it for this little update. Like I said, hopefully they get over here and they do that, and we can come to a good agreement. It doesn't have to go anything farther, because I'd rather get this worked out without taking other actions, because that's always a headache for both people. But alright, hopefully the next time you see this, all that will be gone and the inside will be clean. Well, all the stuff will be out of here. Alright, we'll see you back in a couple days. Have a good one.